So now did you get? So these all are example of algebraic expression. Okay. For example, x plus y minus z. This is algebraic expression. Did you get it? What is algebraic expression?
Algebraic expression is the combination of constants and variables joined by basic mathematical operation.
Very good. Thank you very much. You all are very, very good. Okay. Thank you very much. Next question. Next, what we are going to learn. Now we are going to learn about the term. Okay. What we are going to learn? What is term here? Okay. So term means like this is we can say this is a part. It is a part of an algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus 3. What I have written? 2x plus 3. This is algebraic expression. Okay. And it has how many parts? Like this is a one term. This is second term. Okay. This is first term. This is second term. If there is one more, for example, y. So this will be third term. Okay. So how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. Okay. There are 3 terms. 3 terms are there. How many? 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there in this algebraic expression?
3.
3 terms are there. Okay. B number, I'm writing an algebraic expression and you have to tell how many terms are there. Okay. So x square plus 5x plus 10. Tell me how many terms are there?
3 terms.
If I will write one more, then y, then how many terms are there?
4.
4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, second term, third term, and fourth term. So there are 4 terms. Okay. How many terms in this algebraic expression? 4 terms. Okay. Next example. A square plus 2b. All right. Only a square plus 2b. How many terms are there, everyone?
2 terms.
2 terms. Very good. So 1 and 2. So there are 2 terms. Okay. Very good. Now I will explain you more about the terms. Okay. The example 2x plus 5. Okay. 2x plus 5. There are 2 terms, right? There are 2 terms. This is an algebraic expression. You know now it. Okay. So there are 2 terms. This term here you can see only constant is there, right? Only constant is there. This term, it is having only constant value, right? So this is called constant term. Okay, this is called constant term. Okay, 5 is a constant term. 5 is a constant term. Okay, very good. So when there will be only constant value, then it will be a constant term. Okay, getting? What is constant term? When there will be, it consists only a constant. Okay, write its, you can also write its definition. Constant term means it consists, wait a minute, or it has only a constant value. That is called the constant term. It has only a constant value. So means constant term will have only constant value. Okay. So that will be called as constant term. Today we are doing only basics. Okay. Because basic is very necessary. Only then you will get other questions, how to solve the question related to it. Okay. So firstly we will do basic, then we will solve related question. Okay. So constant term, it has only a constant value And variable term, there can be constant. It is a combination also, you can say. There can be a, this is, you can see here, this is a variable term, because only there can be only single variable also. Okay, there can be single variable also. Okay, there can be single variable also, and it can be like constant and variable can be also together with it. Okay, constant also can be there, or with constant. But this will call only constant term, but this 2x, they are together with the multiplication sign. 2x means 2 into x. Okay, so 2x will be variable term. Okay, now 2x will be variable term. And if there is only single x plus 5, so x will, all that time also, in that case also, x will be variable term. Okay, and 5 will be constant term. But if there is any number with x or y or whatever the letter is, that will also be a variable term. Okay, are you getting it? What is constant? In constant term, only number will be there. Only number. Okay, only constant value. But in variable, with the number, there can be any variable. Okay, there can be any variable with number, or the single variable also. There can be single variable also, and the number also there can. Okay, the number also can be there. All right, getting? What is constant and variable term? Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask question then, if you are getting. So I will ask question. You have to tell me answers. Okay. One number. 2y plus 13. Tell me which is constant term and which is variable term. Which is constant term here in this expression? Yeah, you can speak up. Everybody can say. Yeah, together. Constant term.
And 13 is the constant term.
Okay, so 13 is a constant term, right?
Yes.
And what about 2y? What is this?
It's a variable term.
This is a variable term. Very good. Okay, so this is variable term. Okay, and you all are right. And this is constant term. Okay, so done with it. All right. And there can be, wait a minute. Now let me explain you more thing. If there is y square, what is written? Y square. So what is the meaning of it? Means y into y. Okay. If there is written y is a variable, right? It is a variable term, right? It is an expression also. You can say it is an expression. And if you want to say it is a variable term, firstly, it is an expression. It is an algebraic expression.